Hi friends, welcome to Aishusdiy. This is a mega haul from Mercari and it is clasp and it comes from Hawaii. Aloha. And Aishudiy, thank you for your purchase. Enjoy. Mahalo. That was that. And she gave me a small gift. Let's see the gift first. Very nicely packed. It came in a priority mail. But it was opened actually. But luckily, since she has protected everything and packed really nicely, nothing was lost. Let's see. These are some of the clasp. These are, I think, box clasp. That's what they call this. So you just go like this. Okay. It's pretty tight. Let me use my pliers. Yeah, there we go. And then you take this out. This is how you clasp it. So she has a bunch of these clasps. These are different designs, I guess. Two of them are like this and the rest is like this, but which is the same type of clasp. This was not any silver or gold or something like that. It was just regular metal. But look at that. I love these. Very pretty ones, right? These are box type clasp and it has a pearl attached to it. And this is how it opens up. And it's a 3-strand. Okay. Pretty ones. So she has nicely packed them as well. So let me just move this and I will open all of these. I think there might be a reason for this, right? To pack it this way. Made in Taiwan. That's what it says. Two more of the same clasp. Okay. Then this guy right here. Whoa, that's really nice, right? So very pretty. I really like how it clasps and everything. And there is two. This is a little bit round and this is oval. And you can see the difference in the cubic zircon stuff. I think I will also pack it like this, otherwise it might get damaged. And one more of that black onyx clasp, 3-strand as well. Then we have these are the same. Then these are some of the black ones. Very pretty. Everything is 3-strand though. That is the only thing for me. Now I'm thinking, why did I do that, right? I should have opted for a different 4-strand. 5-strand I think I have, 4 and 5, but single strand probably. This is also the same, the pearl. There is 2 more here. She has nicely packed it, rolled it in this paper. And let's see this. Excuse me for the paper sound, but I want to open it in front of you guys. So everything is like this only. I think they are all packed this way. At least they have ziplocs here. I don't think so. Those are all gifts. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, wow. It has the silver and the gold. So pretty. There is one more. The same. So I will just open one of them in a ziploc and show you guys. I don't know how I'm going to store this anyways. I need to get more boxes for storage. Probably in a cabochon. How I save cabochons in those boxes. Or big. See, I need to buy more of these boxes to store these. Let's see what's in this ziploc. She had a bunch of items, all similar clasps in different colors and different shapes and with stones and everything. Look at that. Those are natural stones. And there is some cubic zirconia in the middle, and these are freshwater pearls. And it's also a box clasp, and it clasps like this. Cool. Very nice quality. I really like it a lot. Maybe I'm supposed to keep it like that so that it doesn't get tarnished. I think this is also the same. Let's see. Yep. Two more. Then let's see what we have here. Cool. Right? The photo didn't do justice. Seriously. Wow. Did you hear that? Clasp really nicely. Okay. There we go. So big as well. I love this. I think those should be also the same things. This one is a little bit antique-y look. I like this. Okay, this one is antique look and this one is bright gold. I don't know why they have it differently. But they look the same, right? But I really like this as well. Okay, the same ones, but these are all bright. Only one is that way. I don't know if it's intentionally that or it's been damaged. I have no idea. Look at that. Such a different design. Both are the same. No, a little slightly different. The flower is different. There is a leaf here. So she has lot wise. I think these are all the same lot. So I bought multiple lots and she combined the shipping for me. Otherwise also the shipping is not that bad. $3.65, I believe. That's so cool. This is not a clasp. Oh, this came off. I don't know from where it came off. Doesn't look that way. These are corals and pearls. No wonder she has packed it pretty well. We have two of these and I need to compare where this coral came from. Maybe here. I think so. But these are not clasps, but these are just, connectors. Look how cool is the connector will be on a bracelet or a necklace. That's absolutely pretty. I have no words. Trust me. Just going to add these to here too and roll it and nicely pack it, because this needs to be carefully kept. This one has coral and pearl. So pretty design. This one is again another connector. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love it. But yeah, this design, I think the coral is coming out. The clasp nicely opens up without a problem and seems to be really sturdy. Very nice. So very careful, I need to keep these things. The next one. Sorry, I bumped the camera. This looks like a watch band, right? Look at that. Very pretty. And this looks like you can add strands on both sides. See this? This clasp. So it's like this. That's nice. It's different. The same. Look at that. This is like a dolphin fin, right? So many stones, and they look to be nice quality, and it's just heavy. It's not very, cheap, and it's a clasp. That's so cool. I love this. Two more. Two more. That's it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. I do upload videos almost every day except for Sunday. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family. I really appreciate it. If you leave me a comments, I would appreciate it even more. Thank you so much. So the second bag, I opened it up, and this is what it is. There is like a bow here, and that is in silver, the rest is in gold. This is how it looks. Very pretty, unique piece. We have the same. This has a heart shape, but as you can see, this one is a little bit not a bright gold, it's a little bit dull gold. The finish is a little bit different, but nevertheless it's very pretty. This one is nice golden, and you can see the color difference here. Hope the camera picks it up, right? Don't know why they are that way, but they are. Wrapped in a paper and kept it in a ziploc like this makes it more secure. Otherwise it won't be, because if it gets exposed to the air, it kind of oxidizes, I think. This is like glass cabochon, and there's a nice clasp, but the color is a little bit dull. I think these are the same. Let's see. Yes, but they are a little bit dull, the gold. I'm fine with it. Let's see the next pendant. So if you are not aware of Mercari, it's like eBay or so, wherein you can sell stuff like that you make or you don't want it anymore. So I have been using Mercari for more than a year, and I'm very happy with it. Sometimes, look at that, you get amazing find from here. See this one is a little bit off. So the color in the gold slightly differs from piece to piece. That's something to note. And if you want to check out Mercari, I will leave down in the description box below a link so that you can sign up for Mercari and find yourself whatever you want to buy or you want to sell, stuff like that. So you sign up and you will get a sign up bonus of $10 that you can use towards the purchase, including the shipping. If you just want to give it a try of Mercari, you can just sign up with the code I leave down in the description below. Click the link, and if you put the referral code that I sent it, then you will get a $10 sign up bonus, and you can use it for a product which is $10 worth including shipping. That means you will get that for free. That way you can check it out and then go ahead and explore more. It's an awesome place. I have bought many stuff here which I really like. I have some issues. I won't say there is absolutely no issue. Sometimes it happens, but we are all humans. Stuff happens, and we can always resolve with the seller. Then okay, this one is like a jet color, not not jet, it's hematite, and very nice clasp right here. And then the same, but just a plain round one, so you can see the difference. These are all hematite colors, and this is also a clasp. This is a humongous clasp. It's so heavy. I don't know if I will be able to use that or not, but it is nevertheless very pretty. More, but this one is a little bit damaged, as you can see. I really like this one. This one is perfect for a bracelet, right? So in eBay you have to bid and wait for some time. In Mercari you just make an offer. You cannot bid or something. There is no bid system here, but you can make an offer to the seller, and if the seller accepts your offer, then you are good to go. If not, you can also buy the items without making an offer. Just add it to cart and then buy it if you think the price is reasonable. And I have seen people selling their finished jewelry, the handmade jewelry also on Mercari. It's not just for these items, all regular items. There is Mercari local right now, and you don't have to pick up or something. Like this is also a box clasp in black. As you can see, there is a slight difference between the metal. Some are very polished and some are not, but it reflected in the listing, I think. I thought it is just the light that's flashing differently, but it is different. As you can see here, it's very clear in this too, right? Yeah, this one also looks a little bit off. I don't think so she accepts returns and stuff. I just don't know. I need to check it out. But there are some imperfections in this. Some of them actually. I should have paid more attention to what I was buying. This is also black, a lot of black stuff, which I think I will give it as a gift or something like that. There is 2 stones which is not here, which is missing right here. Can you see that? That pin is going in. Just put those away so that I know for sure that one doesn't have the stones. This one is proper. Very nice. I need to keep it this way. I'm telling myself I need to find something to keep it this way so that the air doesn't, oxidize these metals. Now the third. There is a difference in the metal for sure. I'm not so sure why. But look at that. Those are very pretty. I really like them. There is 3. These 2 are same and this one is a little bit nicer. And this one is the same as well. See this back? I hope you can make the difference, right? Slight difference. I better start making this. This has holes like this. It's really nice. Ooh, this is so pretty. How light turquoise. And look at that. The wavy design. This is round oval, sorry, oval. And this, oh, this one is the same like this. This one is oval. Ooh, I love this design. This is so pretty. I like it a lot. Oh wow, this is humongous. Very nice cabochon. And this one is round. So round, oval, big oval, round wavy, and then the sky. Very pretty, right? So this lot, as you guys can see, this is very, very pretty. I love this. And this is also. But in this, I don't like that there is no stone here, and it is a little bit old, I would say. And this one is good as well. These clasps has small jump rings, which is really nice. These are the next clasp. Actually, this is very pretty. It has a teardrop hole in it, and look at that, it flips. It's so cool. I haven't seen anything like this. This is one more. There's 5 in this. So these are the jade clasps, I think. Very pretty and very sturdy. This one is really nice as well. This one is humongous. This is cute. Just a single strand, that's really what I need. And these are those. And last but not least, these are the ones. wavy, the turquoise light one, similar to that, the green. More wavy ones, malachite. These are malachite stone. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. I do upload videos a couple of times a week. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.